Hello, beautiful people. If you're new here, my name is Candice. If you are returning, welcome back. Now, I know you typically come here for the beats, honey, and for the looks, but today I wanted to serve you fresh face realness, okay? We have something here from the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. If you don't know, this is from the American Influencer Awards. If you follow me on social media at all, then you know just a couple weeks ago I was telling you guys to vote for me for emerging makeup tutorialist for this year's 2020 American Influencer Awards. So the fact that they sent me something, pretty cool. So they've started doing like little bundle deals. What's really cool about these bundles that I've heard is that the subscription is $34 per bundle. It comes with well over $100 in product. So we're gonna open it so we can get that first reaction together, an authentic response. Ooh, so it's a pretty box, by the way, I'll say that. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh, I love the message. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. OMG. Hold the front door. So look at this. Oh my gosh, so it has everything that is in this box. Now, if you look at these items, you can see how much each individual item is worth. So let's go ahead and do the math. So all the items in this box retail collectively for $154. With their subscription box though, you're only paying $34. So honey, you're saving $120 just by subscribing to their little box. And this is really nice. And look at this, honey. Look, like the foam itself in this box is luxurious. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. This is fancy, honey. OMG, like, this is beautiful. And oh, you know what? Let me mention this too. This is the front of the card. I love this so much. So here is the hydrating face mist in the flesh, and it says hydration happy. This is beautiful. I'm hype. Ooh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, let me spray this now, honey. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I literally feel like that just turned me into like a little flower. It is described as hydrating formula, helps soothe and calm skin, provides hydration before or after makeup application. Ugh, I love. Okay, hold on now. Look at this. Honey, like this isn't like some kind of rinky-dink box. Like this is like official, honey, grade A packaging. So this is the lash serum, and at the top here there's like a little rhinestone at the top. Very fancy. Ooh. Lashes up here thicker and shinier. The lash serum is made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. And daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set of lashes. Yes, lash serum. Next, we have the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain, infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. Can you tell I'm excited? Because I really am. Let's see. Whoa. Ooh. Wow, I'm really fascinated because I love this color, and I feel like the color in here does not reflect what is actually on my lips, which I love that. That's such a nice little surprise. I was honestly a little like, not sure about the color, but this color is beautiful. Next, see this, I'm telling you, like, look at this packaging. Here we have the Volumizing Mascara. I love the shape of this mascara. Ooh, look at that brush. Per the card, it's described as rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. This is screaming bougie luxury. to me. Like, I love this so much. Next, we have the HD Perfecting Powder. So this is what it looks like. You can see that the powder itself does have some texture to it. It's not just like a flat powder. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Love that. Lastly, we have the bronzer and blush duo. This is really cute. Like, I really like this. Let me go ahead and swatch the bronzer. Now, this is like more of, you know, an illuminating bronzer. See, it's not matte, but it's super cute. I could totally see myself using this, and I could see myself using it on my eyes too. That's the tea. And then here's the blush. I love this so much. I think it's so pretty. And this was actually their June-July bundle. So what's cool about this subscription-based service is that it is billed bi-monthly. So once every 2 months, you are billed $34, but you receive a huge bundle full of full-size products. So each of those bundles can range anywhere from skincare, hair care, nail care, cosmetics. So really any form of beauty in general. And they do let you know on the website like what you'll be getting in each bi-monthly bundle, so you know ahead of time what you're getting. Or you can just not look at all of you, like the element of surprise, just have it come to you. What I really like about it too is I like the fact that you're not getting billed as often. It's $34 once every 2 months, and throughout the course of that 60 days, that gives you just enough time to thoroughly use each individual product that you get. And just a little fun fact too, cell turnover in the skin, when you start using like a new skincare product, it takes around like 30 days on average for you to see like how the product is really working on your skin. So the fact that they give you 60 days to really try everything out before they ship out another bundle to you, I think that that's fantastic, because you really do get to know the products and you really get to use them and you really explore how they work with your skin and things like that. So definitely sign up if this is something that you feel like would interest you. You know, as far as like where you can get this beauty bundle and everything, I will put that down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I thought that it was just so much fun. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually probably gonna do like a makeup tutorial using these products, because I am hype and I'm excited. But I thought that this was really amazing. I love makeup and I think it's pretty cool. If you want to check out the AIA Beauty Bundle, go ahead and check the description box down below. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye! It does say it's made with a non-irritating This is hard to say. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Proprietary.